Omni Aircraft Sales is proud to bring this 2006 Learjet 45XR to market. This aircraft has an outstanding pedigree and no damage history. It is based out of Tulsa, Oklahoma, and is operated under Part 135 regulation. The aircraft is powered by two Honeywell TFE 731-20BR-1B engines. Both engines and the APU are enrolled on the Honeywell MSP program. The cockpit features Honeywell Primus 1000 avionics. It is equipped with dual UNS 1EW FMS systems with WAAS, LPV, and GPS. Contact us today to learn more about this amazing opportunity.